Hello everyone, welcome to IITS. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to join a class in Tinkercad and to create an account in there. I'm doing this because most of the classes conducted in IITS will be using the Tinkercad online platform, and it is always better to know how to use Tinkercad for your future reference. To do this, first of all, you need to copy the URL given by your instructor. So the URL will be look like this, and then you can open up any browser installed in your computer and paste this URL in the URL section. After pasting it, you can press enter. Then you will be directed to our class which we have created in the Tinkercad. There you have two options to join our class or mark the attendance. The first one is join with the nickname, and the second one is using your email or your username. First of all, let me show you how to log in our class with a nickname. For this, of course, you will need a nickname assigned by your instructor. So I'm going to use this example, and then I'm going to click join with nickname, and there you can paste the nickname given by your instructor and click that's me. That's all. You will be directed to our class directly, and there you can go to circuit section to create a new circuit. More about creating new circuits will be discussed in our classes. So now I'm going to show you how to create an account in Tinkercad and join to our class. To create an account in Tinkercad and to join our classes using the Tinkercad account that you have created, first of all, you need to open up your browser, and then there you need to search for Tinkercad. Then you can click the first link, which is Tinkercad Create 3D Digital Designs with Online CAD. And then there you need to click Join Now. Here you have two options. If you are a student, you can click Educators Start here. And if you want to create your personal account, you can click Create Personal Account. And you can create this personal account with your email address, or if you have a Google account or an Apple account, you can use these two. I'm going to show you how to create account with the Google account because that is the most easiest way to create an account in any platform. So I'm going to click sign in with Google. For this, of course, you need to have a Google account created previously. If you don't have a Google account, first you need to make one, and then you can use those credentials to create an account in Tinkercad. So here you need to enter the Google account credentials. Once you enter all the details of your Google account, you'll be getting your personal account created in Tinkercad like this. After creating the account in Tinkercad, in order to join our class, first of all you need to click your classes, and then you need to click join a class, and in the text box you need to paste the class code given by your instructor. You can request the class code from your instructor, or you can use the class code uh, integrated in the URL after the slash sign. You can copy that, and then you can paste it in here. Then you can click go to my class. You will get your name because you have created an account in Tinkercad. You just have to click that's me. And that's all. This is how you join our class using your personal account. So you can see our class is listed here. Now if you want to create a circuit, you can just go to circuits tab, and then there you can click create new circuit.